Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you an interesting and a very nice fact. This video I would say that you should watch it with your kids. Let them also know what can be done when a tooth is completely out of socket, because it can be them who is undergoing from this situation, or it can be someone of their friends. So if they need some help, they rightly know what can be done. And also, you parents do share it with your friends and let them know what can be done when a tooth is completely out from its socket and what is the immediate measure that you need to take. Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you some interesting fact here.
Subscribe the channel and smile.
Hello, this is my show Monday Mornings with Mansi, where I post tips and information related to the oral health. And this is my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Now, moving ahead to our today's topic. Let me demonstrate it for you. So this is the tooth that has come out from its gum. So this is the gum or the root. The tooth has completely come out. Now let me show you how the tooth is. This is the upper portion of the tooth, and this below is the root. You should always remember that whenever the tooth comes out from its socket, you should hold it from the upper portion, that is the crown portion, and never from its root. Now, if it has got dirty or soiled in the mud, then make sure you just hold it in the slow speed of water. Do not scrub it, do not rub it, or never check if it is intact. Just hold it in the crown portion, hold it in the low speed water, or you can just dip in the water and wash it very gently. Or if that is not possible, just dip it in the water and remove it 2-3 times. That's okay. Then what is to be done? This tooth is never supposed to get dried. So the first thing that you can do is avert your lip, collect some saliva and place this tooth inside there. But if the child is very much small, or you're not sure if the child can take that tooth, or if there is some danger that he can swallow that tooth, then what is to be done? The best thing? Milk. Yes, dip the tooth in the milk and that would stay long, because the milk has the properties which can help the tooth cells to remain alive, and the tooth can just stay long till the time you visit your dentist. If you are very much confident that you can place the tooth back into the socket, that is, you gauge, you hold the tooth from the crown, you can clearly see that it is clean enough, there is no dirt, and you are confident enough, then hold the tooth, see the direction of other teeth, what side it should be. I'm showing it in the picture besides the direction of how it should be placed. Hold the tooth from the crown, gently place it inside the socket immediately. There might be some bleeding and you cannot see where the tooth is, but you can press it inside, hold it, level it, and with the cotton, hold the cotton and press on the gums. You gently press the gums. The tooth will be stabilized in some hour. Till then, you can tell the patient to hold the cotton there, or just for a few minutes, you can press it with your fingers, gently hold the cotton there. If you are wearing gloves during this procedure, it would be very much best. But it is an emergency state, so it is better you just wash your hands and do this procedure. Make sure that your hands are washed and properly sanitized. Most important thing to remember is, do not touch the root surface, do not scrub it, or do not see if it is broken or what it is. Just replace it or place it in the water or replace it in the socket. Do not get panic. This teeth can be saved, and a doctor or a dentist can help you to restore this tooth and keep it alive right in your mouth. Friends, many of their parents think that if a tooth is out, then it has to be thrown. No, this tooth can be useful. Mind it that mainly the permanent tooth have to be saved. any and all structures, my friends, whether it is chipped off or a broken tooth or completely avulsed tooth from the socket. This can happen during the sports injury while playing or just by dashing or sometimes by a big punch on your kid's face. So if this happens, remember, save that part of tooth and we can replace it as it is. Never throw out that part. Tell this to your children because if anything happens when you are not around them, they know what exactly is to be done of their chipped off or broken tooth. Friends, it is a very important and a useful message. So share it with most of your friends. Let them know what can be done to save a tooth. Subscribe my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Stay healthy, stay happy and beautiful. Do not forget to like, comment me below here on this show and this channel that how do you find this tip, or did you know that a tooth can be saved? Please mention it in the comment section below. Thank you.